Masquera say More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanka kukuya pano channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garo ka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi More Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya kupisa nyaya kunetsa nyaya yabuda ichitaurwa na the Zimbabwe National Army spokesperson vaoffice Makotore avabuda vachitaura neRizimai pamusoro an alleged coup attempt Zimbabwe parikunzi there's a coup yanga ichirongwa against President Emerson Mnangagwa. There's a group yakabuda ichitaura in a military style ichideclare ichiaccuse President Emerson Mnangagwa of orchestrating assassinations high ranking army generals. Vakabuda zvakare vachipa warning vachitaura vachi they're going to protect the constitution against revolutionary gangsters are kupusha for the ED 2030 campaigns. These threats coup akabuda mushure mekunge pane controversial statements akabuditswa zvakare navageza veteran Zanu PF Central Committee member along with mamwe security forces vageza vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti Mnangagwa nemaclose allies avo vari kuuraya nyika and vakaendera mberi vachiti they were corrupt. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the security sector is reaching a breaking point for the Zimbabwe. Vageza vakaita kuti vanhu vave vocal about the ongoing power struggle between Mnangagwa and Vice President Chiwenga. Vice President Chiwenga vanova vakaplay a pivotal role mu the 2017 military coup yakaonekwa ichibuditsa vaMugabe mupower. Vari kunzi is now losing patience navaMnangagwa Zimbabwe anzi havachafari nekuconsolidate kurutwa power naPresident Emerson Mnangagwa. So pane mareports akabuda achisuggesta kuti vaChiwenga vari kubhekwa nemamilitary officials hanzi and vari vakugrowa frustrations with that Mnangagwa's government patronage networks Zimbabwe. The rift between President Mnangagwa and Chiwenga hainaomira mushe pane nyaya dzabudei kubva mugore ra 2017 apanonzi vakange vamika a deal yekuti vaMnangagwa was supposed to serve one term vaChiwenga vobva vapindawo Zimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa the Zimai vachitaura ivo vachiti the Zimbabwe National Army has dismissed a statement purportedly issued by individuals claiming to be soldiers planning a coup against President Emerson Mnangagwa. This comes amid growing internal rifts within the ruling ZANU-PF party and escalating tensions between Mnangagwa and his deputy Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. The Zimbabwe National Army spokesperson Alpheus Makotore told Zimai that he was unaware of any officers involved in the alleged coup attempt. Which officer and on what issue, and on what issues, he questioned before adding, I don't comment on such issues since I am no longer in that office. Kindly contact Defense Headquarters. His response follows a statement released by an anonymous group claiming to represent sections of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. The group, speaking in a military-style declaration, accused President Mnangagwa of orchestrating the assassinations of high-ranking army generals and warned of impending action to protect the constitution from counter-revolutionary gangsters. The coup threats come in a wake of controversial statements by Blessed Geza, a war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member with strong ties to security forces. Geza has repeatedly alleged that Mnangagwa, his family and their close allies were corrupt and are destroying the country. His outbursts have fueled speculation that discontent within the security sector is reaching a breaking point. Geza has also been vocal about the ongoing power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. The vice president, who played a pivotal role in the 2017 military coup that ousted Robert Mugabe, is believed to be losing patience with Mnangagwa's consolidation of power. Reports suggest that Chiwenga backed by senior military officials, is growing increasingly frustrated with Mnangagwa's governance patronage networks and the marginalization of key military figures in government affairs. The rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has been a defining feature of Zimbabwean politics since 2017. While Mnangagwa initially relied on military support to ascend to power, his subsequent moves to sideline key army figures have deepened divisions. Chiwenga, a former army general with strong ties to the security establishment, has maintained strategic silence in recent months, leading to speculation that he may be preparing to challenge Mnangagwa's rule. The recent alleged military statement directly referenced Mnangagwa's alleged role in a series of political assassinations, naming prominent figures such as General Vitalis Rinalashi, General Solomon Mujuru, General Charles Kumbo, General Sibusiso Moyo, Air Marshal Perence Shiri, Brigadier General Armstrong Gunda, Major General Trust Mugomba, Major General Douglas Nyakayaramba, Colonel Francis Muleya, Lieutenant General Inzwai Chimoyo, Commissioner General Paradise Zimondi, Brigadier General Michael Chaminuka. The statement also accused Mnangagwa's administration of widespread corruption, economic mismanagement, and the systematic operation of war veterans and junior security officers. The statement issued by an anonymous military group outlined a plan to take action against Mnangagwa's government if conditions did not improve. It called on junior officers in the army, police, and intelligence services to prepare for a constitutional intervention. The majority of you are living in abject poverty while the ruling elite loots national resources, the statement read. We urge you to defend the constitution from kleptocratic rulers who treat the national treasury as their personal bank account. Additionally, the statement warned key Mnangagwa loyalists, including Owen Nwe, Ziyambi, Daniel Garwe, Kazembe, Tatenda Mavetera, Jan van Muswere, businessman Wignell Chivayo. The group accused them of insulting war veterans and manipulating the security sector for political gain. Despite the coup threats, Mnangagwa administration has maintained a firm grip on the state security apparatus. The government has ramped up surveillance, and there are reports of increased deployments of intelligence operatives within the armed forces. Analysts warn that while the statement may not signal an immediate coup, it reflects growing discontent within the security establishment. Ndo mabuditsiro yatwa nyaya ine dzimwe tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya yetu dziro zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.